I'm having a hard time is used to say that it is difficult for you to do something. Examples: I'm having a hard time understanding the teacher's explanation. I'm having a hard time choosing between these two blouses. I'm having a hard time eating because of my toothache. I'm having a hard time getting a job. I'm having a hard time getting along with his colleagues. I'm having a hard time answering the test. I'm having a hard time finding a new house to move into. I'm having a hard time selling houses. I'm having a hard time explaining to her what happened. I'm having a hard time persuading your parents to buy you a PlayStation.